So I did install, I have a parking sensor strip. It's inside the bumper. It's just a long band like this. It's not the round sensor, it's just a long band, electromagnetic kind of. So let's see how helpful this thing. You notice I have about 1 feet rear car and just slightly over 1 feet of front car. So it's pretty tight in there. So let's see how I move out and how this helps actually. Notice perhaps the trunk lid is pretty tall, and the car in the rear, the red one, it's very low to the ground. So basically it's just impossible to figure out a little bit the distance to the bump between the bumpers. It's really hard to see this. So let's just move out. So that's the beep beep beep. It's when it's getting closer, maybe 1 feet or so, and then a long beep, it's when it's really close, a few inches only. Right now it's only a few inches from the bumper, maybe 3-4 inches, so I stop not to bump the car. Let's move front. And notice also it does sound when I'm at an angle with the car. It's not when you are straight only, it's at an angle as well. So that's really nice. Let's move one more time. And I should by now be able to move out of parking space. So this is it. I really recommend these things. I've been using it for about 3 years now, I think, and really works very nicely. The only moment when it's fooling me a little bit, it's when the bumper is wet from rain, but that's just first time when I move back or so. It's really 1-2 times and then it works again. So it's not something that's cheaply made, or it's just causing problems, or it's inaccurate or something like this. It really works very nicely, and it looks cheap. Definitely looks cheap for $10. It's just you kind of thinks, oh, that band, that long strip, kind of metallic strip that you just stick on behind your bumper is just not going to work. It makes no sense. Well, actually it does work, and it just works very nicely. And I had no problems with taller cars behind me, with SUVs. My car is pretty low to the ground. It's just a matter of installing it properly so that band stays vertically. Other than that, just check the I'm going to link how I installed this, and just check for the tips. And thanks for watching.